Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is the first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please hit the like and subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Plus and the top 10 reasons why you should get one. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. The phone came out October 7th of 2022. It just came in the mail today for me. So let's unzip it. There's a little tie there. And first thing you do is you're greeted with the box. Of course it's thinner. There's no charger or earphones. So we have the branding iPhone. We have the make and model at the bottom. I don't want to show the details. And we have another tab, a pull tab here on the top and the bottom. There's no cellophane wrap or anything. It's like the rest of them. So let's go ahead and open it up. And the phone comes right out there accidentally. We'll put that aside. So it comes with a lightning adapter to a USB-C cord and some sticker, Apple sticker, and some information, product information, mainly warranty. And here's the phone. This is the red, product red. It's a pretty neat red. So let's start the top 10 reasons why you should buy the iPhone 14 Plus. And these are in no particular order. There's no importance order. It's just I did my top 10 reasons. Okay, the first one, the display is still excellent. Like the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and the 14 Pro, the iPhone 14 Plus and the 14 Pro Max have identical 6.7 screen sizes. However, they're not exactly created equal. On the iPhone 14 Max, you have several features that aren't available on the Plus. The Pro Motion has the 120 refresh rate versus the 60 hertz refresh rate on the Plus, and you have the always-on display. They're both fantastic features that the Pro Max users are going to love. Number two, battery life is actually superior. So we all know iPhones get fantastic battery life, but Apple claims that the 14 Plus gets the best battery life of any iPhone ever. So eventually I'm going to do some testing on battery life. So in real world use, you're going to likely to get multiple days of use on your iPhone 14 Plus. The cameras are still great. Other than the dynamic island, the bigger difference between the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Plus is the rear camera. On the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you get a 48 megapixel main lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, neither of which are found on the 14 Plus. Processes are really very closely being the same. But while it might seem like a huge upgrade, it's really not. The A16 is barely faster than the A15. It's certainly not anything that's going to be noticeable in day-to-day use. So if you buy an iPhone 14 Plus, it won't feel any slower than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The dynamic island isn't a must-have feature yet. The iPhone 14 Pro Max biggest new feature isn't hardware, it's software. The dynamic island, which is a feature that lives inside the new camera cutout. It's easily the most interesting and intriguing feature of the new phone, and one that will be a standout on iPhones for years. It could save your life. Yes, you heard me correctly. Apple introduced two new iPhone features this year: crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite. These two features could very well save your life one day, and they're available on all 14 models, the Pro or the Plus. Bluetooth 5.3. The new iPhone 14 Plus also has Bluetooth version 5.3. Both iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro Max does not. In short, Bluetooth 5.3 will allow your device to consume less power, have less interference, maintain a minimum level of security, and be able to offer better quality at all times depending on the bandwidth required. Price and availability. The iPhone 14 Plus is $899. It weighs less than a brick. The iPhone 14 Plus is significantly lighter than the Pro Max, 37 grams lighter to be precise. The last one, number 10, is the Virtual SIM. This year, Apple has no internal SIM card. It's had virtual SIM card since the iPhone XS, but it's also had the physical SIM slot. There's no physical SIM slot on this year's iPhone. It's a virtual SIM. So that's my unboxing and the top 10 reasons why I should purchase the iPhone 14 Plus. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.